We are back with an early morning start, taking a high-speed train to Vang Vieng, which is this beautiful location here. We are the Blasian Travelers, and 2 years ago we moved back to Laos so my wife can reconnect with her friends for longer than a few weeks, and so that we can explore around Southeast Asia. This time we came back because we missed a few things. A place known for its nature and its party life for expats. But is it safe even after those deaths last year?
So today we are going kayaking down this river. I've never done anything like this before, like especially here in Laos. So I'm so excited, especially because we're gonna do it with our best friend. Also, I'm not sure if I've said this in my other videos, but I am a little scared of fish. So I'm hoping that there's not gonna be too many fish surrounding me or anything like that. But I do know that the Blue Lagoon does have a lot of fish. These are our kayaks. We're gonna put on our life jackets. Oh, there's a water bag. That's cool. Have you guys done anything like this before?
Kayaking, yes. Not in the mountains like this, this view. No.
First time for everyone. Here's Kenny with our paddles. Thank you.
Couldn't carry off for right.
Get your clothes. You need to put your belongings on the side. Not except drinking water. Drinking water, put outside.
Out here just paddling, I almost said tubing on the river. This has to be the fastest river that we have kayaked on so far. It's just been calm waters, but because of the rocks in the middle of the stream, it makes it a little fast, and then it makes it a little bumpy. I'm interested to see how whitewater rafting would be because I've never done that. So we'll see one day, but so far so good. It's really hot out here, but it's beautiful, and we're with some of our closest friends right there. How y'all liking it? Y'all kayaked a lot in Georgia, right? Yeah.
We just went recently. It's nothing like this.
Yeah, I'm like, this is the fastest that I've ever kayaked
It's
in.
the fastest.
Oh, really?
We're in the most beautiful part.
The sun is beaming,
The sun is beaming.
but it feels good.
This view doesn't even look real.
Yeah, that's crazy.
This try to think of a movie.
Wow, the water's so clear.
Can you what movie does this look like?
I'm slightly glad it's not rainy season because it's not brown now. That's that fresh mountain water.
How you liking this?
Pretty good. It's not super tiring or anything. We're just chilling right now, honestly. This is Julie. What are you? Sweating.
At least we're not getting bit by mosquitoes.
Yeah, no mosquitoes. I want to
Wow.
see some fish. I want to see a monitor lizard.
No thanks.
Last time we did this, literally like 2 or 3 months ago,
A sea snake.
a spider, a water spider, climbed up onto my oar and then into my boat. 3 of them.
Oh heck no. 1 is fine, but not 3. Out here kayaking with the love of my life. Look at him go. Look at those muscles.
No muscles right now.
No muscles right now. Okay.
We're going to the next destination. We just made it. I think we have a quick 15-minute break. And then we're going to go tubing, eat lunch, and then the Blue Lagoon. So let's head to the next destination. Honestly, there's a lot to do in this city and province, but we have limited times here because our friends are short on this trip, so we only spent overnight. But you can go parasailing, paragliding, hot air ballooning, you can go hiking up mountains. There's a lot to do, but this is what we decided to do this time, to show them around.
What do you think of this cave, Kini? We've been in so many caves so far.
Not as, I mean, there's no pond. We're not doing walking up steps.
That's true.
So we made it into the cave. Beautiful cave so far. I like that the rocks are super, super low, so I can pretty much hit my head on this if I want to. I'm not gonna do that though.
If you want to.
We are walking through this cave. I guess the exit is almost right here, or is right here. And then want to go back and go tubing through another cave. Oh, you gotta like really crouch down to get through here.
Yeah.
Oh, my back just cracked. Ugh. And we're outside now.
Kini, how are you liking this nature walk? I'm surprised we haven't seen any lizards yet.
Laos don't really have lizards. Oh, you meant like the small ones?
Yeah,
Maybe because there's too many people walking past.
maybe.
Because it's tour after tour after tour.
Now can I sing?
Sing?
In the jungle, the mighty lion sleeps tonight. About to go through this little sketchy bridge. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh, that is. Kini. How do we look, you guys?
Got British friends over there. They said they were feeling mugged off earlier.
Oh my gosh.
His tattoo is dope. You see it? Yeah. It's like a face. A regular face upside down, and then the bottom is let's go.
So we are about to go tubing in a cave. Are you excited?
It's gonna be totally tubular, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be dark. So we got these right here.
So it's looking like unicorns.
Hey, but McKinney, I just got one question.
What are those? Sequoias. John Elliott. You don't know about these hype beats.
Sponsor me. Tivas.
I don't know nothing about these. Let's play. Got scared of the fish, so she's over there trying to get in, but the water's like cold. My butt's in here. Oh. Tubing. We're just chilling right now. What up, Sam? Because this is the end. Because we said we weren't going to walk back. Back from the sun. So you can choose to walk back or to, you can choose to walk back or to take the tube back. We chose to take the tube because who would walk back? I guess you're walking through a cave, which is cool, but we just came from a cave, so tubing it is. How's the food look? So lunch was included in this. They came around and gave everyone 2 to 3 skewers, and then like fruits and waters and stuff was unlimited. Pretty simple. Afterwards, our friends decided they wanted to do some zip lining. We're on a budget right now, so we decided to skip that. But here's what it looked like and the prices.
There's a lot of people here. She is about to jump 5 meters.
So we made it all the way to the Blue Lagoon. As you can see, we've been here for about an hour and a half. I think we were supposed to leave about 15 minutes ago, but it started raining pretty bad because the group that's actually walking behind me, they was zip lining while we were here at the Blue Lagoon, and it was raining, and some of them were going through the zip line, so I'm pretty sure they're like extremely wet. The good thing is that we were down here, so we had covering and shade and all of that.
How was today?
Amazing.
Yeah, you had fun?
A lot of fun.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. It was pretty good.
Yay!
Thank you, Malaysian travelers, for putting us on.
So it is day 2, and I am waiting out in front of this hotel, not to check in or to check out or for my taxi. I'm waiting because I'm getting a sandwich right across the street. It was the second day in a row. Last night it was like a late night snack. Today is going to be my dinner. They're eating at a Thai Lao restaurant. It's mainly Thai food because that's what all these foreigners know. They don't really know Lao food in this area, and they cater to them. We're not in the city where they cater more to the locals. So we're eating that, but I didn't really want that because it's Thai food and we're about to be in Thailand in like a day and a half. So why would I get Thai food in Laos when I can get Thai food in Thailand? So we're here, I'm getting another sandwich. Yesterday I got this chicken. Avocado cheese burger. I thought it was gonna be in the baguette. I like the baguette bread, but that burger bun doesn't look too bad itself. So hopefully it's gonna be good, but we're gonna check it out. She's cooking it right now. And guess what? It's only 40,000, 30 to 40,000 for everything over here, including the roti, including the baguette, the burgers. Pretty cheap. When I say the sandwich is insane, I'm not even joking. It's an egg omelet, avocado, a hamburger, fried chicken, and onions all on the sandwich. And I think there might be other vegetables underneath, but I think because I got avocado there isn't, but it's massive. I'm like so excited to try this. It's not cut in half, so I have no clue how I'm going to like dissect this.
I wish we did. YouTube. And I'm like, I wish.
Do you YouTube? Look at that. So much in here.
Cheese. I think
Wow.
we're right video editing.
Perfect.
Or not.
So don't forget scissors in your bag when you come here. So that's what's happening right now. She's having to look for the scissors. She forgot she had it in her bag. But I'm kind of curious because we came here and they didn't see the scissors when we came yesterday. So maybe they weren't paying attention, but definitely do not bring like alcohol, anything over 3 ounces, even aerosol cans or sprays. We got away with having the sunscreen aerosol spray. I've heard other people get away with it. They really are just looking for like toothpaste and liquids, especially if you have alcohol. If you have alcohol, do not bring it because they will take it. Most countries will take it because they'll just drink it behind the scenes, because I do not see a single thing of alcohol in that thing or drink. It's just like e-cigarettes and cigarettes. And it's like a swivel thing. So I'm pretty sure they just reach their hand up in there and grab it, take it home, crack one open with the boys.
不要越过安全蓝色，注意安全。
So we are closing out the day by heading back on the train to head back to Vientiane because we are going to be making our way to Phuket. And then Kat and I have a long next 3 or 4 months. So
If you want to see us explore more of Laos, maybe hit up Pakistan, a little bit of Europe, Mexico City,
and some more Southeast Asia, watch those videos right here.